Hello everyone, welcome back in South 2025. Today, we're diving into the world of mask manipulation. If you've ever tried to edit a photo with multiple people, you know that masks can get messy, they overlap, they clash, and they fight for space. I'm going to show you how to combine and subtract masks so they play nicely together. This is essential for what's coming next, a tutorial on infinite multi-talk for more than 2 characters. So let's master the basics first. Imagine you have a picture with 3 characters. You want a clean mask for each one, but they are standing close together. If you just paint them, the masks might overlap. We also need a perfect mask for the background. To solve this, we use mask logic. I'm starting with 3 points editor nodes, 1 for each character. Each of these is connected to a SAM2 segmentation node and a grow mask node to make sure we capture the edges perfectly. To learn more about points editor, refer to the previous video, link on video description. Go ahead and mask each character now. Once that's done, we have 3 separate masks, but they aren't aware of each other yet. Now let's decide on priority. In this case, character 2 is in the front, so their mask should win. This means if character 1 mask overlaps with character 2, we need to cut that part out. To do this, we use the Mask Composite node with the operation set to subtract. Source is character 2, the one we want to keep. Destination is character 1, the one we are editing. The destination is what gets modified. By subtracting char 2 from char 1, we ensure character 1 mask stops exactly where character 2 begins. If you aren't sure if masks are even touching, switch the operation to multiply or AND. This will show you only the area where the 2 masks overlap. As you can see here, there's a small overlap. By switching back to subtract, we clean that right up. Repeat this process for character 3 to make sure all 3 masks are perfectly separated. Now that we have 3 clean, non-overlapping masks, how do we turn them into one single people mask? We use Mask Composite again, but this time with the add or union / or operation. Since the node only handles 2 inputs at a time, we'll use 2 nodes. Combine char 1 and char 2. Combine that result with char 3. Now we have one master mask containing all 3 people. What about the background? We don't need to draw it. Since we have a perfect mask of the people, we just use an invert mask node. Whatever wasn't a person is now our background mask. Simple. And there you have it, a perfectly managed multi-mask setup. Being able to subtract and combine masks is a superpower in ComfyUI. Practice this because in the next video I'll show you how to use these masks to create infinite multi-talk animations with more than 2 characters. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Happy generating!